You know that's right.
Hello, world. What's up? Back again. It's been a long day. Okay, so I'm back again. It's your girl, Chena E. Work with Chena E, affiliate marketing.com, fastbusinessgrowth.club. Get in tune. Okay, so next thing I want to talk about is textbroker.com. Okay, so this is for all my writers out here because I am a writer. I love writing. I love coming up with content. If you guys love to write and want to get paid for it instantly, go to Text Brokers. And you can get paid as soon as you're done. Well, as soon as your work gets approved. Okay, so you know how I didn't want to give you guys any sites that will pay you in pennies or it'll be hard for you to even make ends meet. Well, this is not one of them, but it does have like, it has nothing but small writing job tasks like 250 to 300 word type job task, and they're offering $2-3 per the task. I feel like I think that's a good trade-off for 250 words to 300 words for like $2-3. That's a good deal because you could be pumping these out all day. It's a lot of work on this site. It's a lot. It's never ending. You can work when you want to. You can really, you just on this site, guys, when you're writing, all the real writers know this, but to people who just want to make money and you want to be quick, do not what's the word? Do not rush this. Do not rush this site. Okay? Don't rush this site. Don't rush this money because when you have to write about something and you have no idea yet how to start it, don't go stealing people's information and using it and turning around. They'll know, and you will not get paid for that work. They have something in their system on their site where they can tell if you are a plagiarist. Okay, so please take your time writing for these people when they asking you just to write this little small thing for $2-3. That's not pennies to me. $2-3 adds up. You got people out here who sell cigarettes for 50 cents or 75 or whatever, and they make a killing at the end of the week just off of 50-cent cigarettes. Some people out here sell other things for $5-10, a pop, and that money adds up. So long as it's dollars instead of cents, because dollars make more sense than actual change. So yeah, with this site, you can definitely you can pump out probably 100 to 200 a day if you want it. Maybe for more advanced writers, you could pump out to like 300, 400 a day. It's all about what your work ethic. And once you get approved by whoever you're writing from, once you get approved, they pay you right away, and you could request that from Text Broker. Also, I was going to mention with this site, if a person does not approve your work within 3 days, Text Broker automatically gives you that money. Okay, so this makes your work ethic even much better. Okay, so you'll know your work is not going in vain also. So check your spelling, check your grammar, check out your punctuation and where your periods go and all that good stuff. And you should be fine. But make sure you don't plagiarize. They will know. Sadly, for the people who want to rush through stuff, yeah, they will know. So if you're a real writer like me and you like just writing about anything, this is the spot. This is the spot. You'll see once you join how much work it really has for you. And it's certain levels. within this. It's certain levels. So like, I mean, you could be at level 1 making money, level 2, you know what I'm saying? It's like they don't judge you as far as like when you're making money, they don't judge you as far as, okay, you're at level 1, so you're going to start at 50, 60 cents. No, they start you off at the same. You just get more assignments at different levels. Okay? The pay is good all whether you're at level 1 or level 5. It's the fact that you get more assignments as you leveling up. Okay? But nonetheless, it's a lot of work at level 1. So you want money? Get it. Sign up. Hop in that site through me. You don't really need training for this. But if you need training and you have questions or, you know, you need questions about this answered or whatever, I can definitely help you out and guide you through it. It's really easy. It's a no-brainer, okay? Sign up, write for people, get your money. That's a no-brainer. All it is you'll have writer's block or whatever, but there's a lot of topics to choose from. Okay, you can choose. Okay, and you don't have to even, this is not a site where you have to bid on assignments or anything. They pay you to write for them, and they can have different people writing for them. They accept all the work. It's a lot of money so to go around. So it's like they accept you. I could have, say, like if I wanted people to write for me for something, so I don't care if it's like 50 people. I'm going to probably accept 25 of those people, and I'm paying them 25, those 25 people, you know, just to give an example, okay, of how they work. Like they pay a lot of people out for their work. So it's never like, oh, I'm just going to pick one and that's the one I'm going with. They got a lot. They pick a lot of people's work. So it's never like you won't make no money unless your work is bad and you need to up your writing skills. Okay. Other than that, you should be fine. Text Broker is really good. I like them. I'm with them. I work off this site. I write for people all the time. So I like this site, and they pay on time. They're not stingy with the money. They don't steal from people. So you guys will love it. Sign up through Text Broker. That was the Text Broker review. And guys, I'm gonna see you like, share, and subscribe. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. If you like this video, definitely check out Text Broker. The link is below. If you like to go to other sites that I promote as far as making money, if you want to add some more stuff to your arsenal, check out my blog. It's in the link below as well. The Success Blog. Check out my Success Blog because you will be successful. Okay, so that was Text Brokers. Like, subscribe, become family, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.